Hey guys, Gator Mom here. I hope you're doing awesome. Today I have a jujube packing video to share with you. I have this gorgeous new Sakura Swirl Super Bee, all packed up with the Bee Moved insert. Both this rose collection as well as the inserts are going to be launching on April 3rd. So it is no secret how much I am in love with the Jujube Super Bee. I have done a number of packing videos on this bag, but today I want to show you this awesome new insert called the Bee Moved because I think it is a game changer. Those of you that are in and out of Super Bees and can't really find that Super Bee love, I think that the insert is going to change your mind for sure because I absolutely love the way that this bag packs with the insert. Like I said, I think it's a game changer. So I've done a number of reviews on the Super Bee, which I will link my Jujube playlist in the description box below because there are so many different ways that you can pack up this bag. I want to briefly discuss the Super Bee in general and just kind of show you guys the ins and outs of the bags for those of you that might be new to the overall style of the Super Bee. The Super Bee is an unstructured tote by Jujube. It's one of their biggest. You have the Super Bee and the Bee Light, which is just a tad bit smaller than the Super Bee, but it is so awesome. It's the best travel bag ever. It's the greatest pull bag. It's a great beach bag. It's machine washable. You can fold it up and store it. Makes super, super small, or it's a great everyday bag. You don't have to super pack this bag, or if you need to pack it really big, it's really lightweight. So it's really versatile and you can use it for so many different things. So it comes with these two tote straps that are attached to the bag. You also have two flaps over here on the side that you can attach D-rings to make a long shoulder strap or even a messenger strap. The front of the bag here has 3 pockets that go the entire length of the bag. The one here in the middle does have a zipper closure and it goes almost the whole way down, but it just goes to a little bit past halfway, whereas these two here on the side do go the entire length down. On the front of the bag here, I actually just keep a Be Shady over here. This is a new item that is going to also be launching on April 3rd. It is their new kind of hard sunglass case, which I love. I'm not sure of all the different prints that this is going to be coming in, so definitely check with Jujube to see the different ones. This is called the Duchess, which is one of their classic prints that I love. It has a little clasp here on the side, so you can attach it to the outside of like a bag or a stroller or what have you. On the inside here, it's so big. I'm actually able to keep my eyeglasses as well as my sunglasses in this case, which is awesome because I like to carry both with me and I don't like to carry 2 separate cases. There's a lot of times that I don't even carry my eyeglasses because I don't need them all the time, but I do need them for driving at night. I need them for having my computer. I need them for reading, things like that. And then of course I need my sunglasses for a lot of times. So I have them both in here. They both fit great and it's awesome. So those of you with really big eyeglasses, this is going to be perfect for you. So definitely look for that on April 3rd. They're going to be coming out with this. Then in this middle pocket here of the Super Bee, like I said before, it does have one zipper pocket. And I like to keep things that I don't necessarily want falling out, so I always tend to throw my cell phone in there. I also just have like a pack of tissues, and then I think I have like a pen in there. Yeah, I have like a pen in there. So it's things that I want to be able to get quickly, but I don't necessarily want to have falling out. Then in this other pocket over here, I usually always have my wallet. And look how awesome that East Hampton print matches this print. It looks so good. I did do a print comparison video for those of you that were asking. I have it here on my channel if you guys want to check it out, but this is the Be Rich wallet by Jujube and it fits awesome in the front of these Super Bees or even the Bee Lights. The Bee Spendies also fit really well in the front pockets here for those of you that are wondering, but this is an awesome wallet. I use it like crazy. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. So that there is what's in the front of that pocket. On the back of the Super Bee, you have one long pocket that has one snap closure. So this pocket is awesome for change pads or wet bags or anything really. It tends to be a catch-all for me, which is really what's back here. I have some papers, I have stickers, not really sure. I have magazines back here. Does anybody else still read real magazines, or does everybody read them like on their phones or iPads? I still get real magazines, like real paper magazines, and I love them. I love Parents, I love Taste of Homes, I love Better Homes and Garden, I love like the Disney magazines. Like I love real magazines, and I don't know if that's like an uncool thing if anybody else reads real magazines, but I do, and I love them. So I have that back there because I have been running errands with this bag, and I have a bunch of stuff kind of packed for me in here because I was getting my car washed and all this other stuff. So that's kind of what this bag is packed up for. So I'm gonna go ahead now and put the camera up so that you guys can see a really good look of the insert that's packed up on the inside. The very top of the Super Bee has one long zipper that goes the entire way across, and I absolutely am obsessed with this color zipper that they chose to go on this print. I love the gray. I think it's so pretty, and of course the rose gold zipper pull. I just love it. I'm obsessed with this entire print. I think it's really pretty. So when you unzip the zipper and pull it all the way across, you can open it up nice and big, and I have this insert packed pretty full. I have some things in here that I normally wouldn't pack if I just had my kids with me, but like I said earlier, I was running errands, so I have stuff packed in here for my kids as well as things just for myself. So I have it packed for pretty much everything, which I love because I can have the Super Bee all packed for me, and then I can pull out things if I'm just popping in places. So it works really, really good for just every day. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pull this. I think I'm gonna leave the insert in here and unpack it that way and show you guys, but I'm going to fold this down so that you can see the insert a little bit better. But I want to go ahead and just show you guys. I mean, look at how amazing that looks. I mean, it's so crazy organized. I love it. I love it. I love it. So the insert is, in general, kind of the way that it's structured is you have some pockets on the outside here, which I think I'm using maybe one of them, but you have two pockets here on the outside of this side, and you have two pockets on the outside here. And then on the inside, you have two pockets here, you have two pockets here, and one zipper pocket, and then you have four pockets, or I'm sorry, you have two down here and three across. So tons of organization with this insert. So those of you that don't necessarily like to pack with pouches and like to kind of have a place for everything, this really is the way to go for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull everything out on the inside and then go around all the other pockets. Inside here, I have my big old planner. This is the Simplify planner. I love this planner. I've been using it this entire year, and I haven't wanted to change, which is huge for me because I'm in and out of planners all the time. So highly recommend, love that planner. Then I also have my MacBook in here. I think this is a 13-inch, I want to say, and I just have it sitting in here. This is obviously something that I don't typically carry around with me, but I was getting my car washed and I was popping over to Panera while I was getting done and I was doing some work. So I have this in here. Then that is all I have like in the main bulk of the bag. Attached here to the key leash, I just have like my keys attached there. And then I also have on this little flap here an NCO like leather key wrap or whatever you call this thing. But I actually just have a hand sanitizer attached there because I wanted to be able to grab it easily. Then over here on the side pockets of the insert, I actually have a medium set piece. So as you can see, the medium set pieces fit perfectly right here on the side. It's kind of like a perfect match here, and they really anchor the side of the bag. This is the Key West print, which is a perfect match as far as coordination, as far as the print goes. Inside here, I just have toys for all of my kids. These are just small little grab and goes for them, so I have that packed up inside. Then over here in this side pocket, I just have a water bottle for myself. This just had water bottle in earlier, or water bottle, this just had water in earlier. I'm not even sure what brand this water bottle is. I just really like it because it has this loop here at the top and I can grab it in and out pretty easy. Then I will start kind of back here in the back. There's two mesh pockets that you guys can see. Over in this one, I just have a small Target Dollar Spot notebook that I carry around with me for like lists and things like that. Then right in front of that notebook, I just have two play packs for the kids that we were playing with the other night. And then that is all that I have in that mesh pocket. In the mesh pocket right next to it, I have a large set piece, and I do have the strap attached to it. And the reason I have that is in the event I want to just carry a small crossbody with me if I'm popping in somewhere and I don't want to carry the large Super Bee, I can go ahead and take some of the items out of here, throw the wallet, my phone in here, and I'm good to go. But the types of things that I keep in here are kind of like cosmetic type things. I have like a small travel deodorant, I have a compact, I have like a chapstick, this is a Posh healer stick, and I have some medicine, I have a small hand cream, I have a rose water spray for my face. You guys get the idea. It's like all my type of cosmetic type things in there. So they all fit great inside that large set piece. Then in this back long zipper pocket, the only thing that I have in there is a change of clothes for my 4-year-old. So he is fully potty trained, but I do like to still have a change of clothes for him because the one time that I don't have a change of clothes for him is the time that I'm gonna need it. So I have a small wet bag from Jujubee packed in there for soiled clothes. And I have a, this is a 4T or 3T, 3T shirt there. And then I have a pair of shorts and a pair of underwear back there for him. And that's all I have inside that zipper pocket there. And that's everything I have on this half of the insert. I do not have anything packed in this back zipper of the Super Bee or in these back 2 pockets of the insert. So you guys can see that's kind of everything on that half of the bag. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it around so that you guys can see better view of the other half of the bag. So that's everything kind of packed over there. On the outside of the insert, the only thing that I have is one book. It fits perfectly in one of those pockets. This is just a book that I've been reading, Grace Not Perfection. I'm getting ready to do a study on that with some friends of mine, so I have that back there. I don't have anything in the back pockets of the Super Bee back there. Then inside the insert here, in the top 3 pockets, I just have a Posh hand cream, and then I also have some gum. Then in this middle one here, I have a small set piece, and inside here, I actually just have a little mini med kit. It has Band-Aids and some pills for my husband and I, and like teeth pickers, that kind of type stuff. It's like, you know, mini med kit type stuff. But as you can see, it fits perfectly in that pocket. So if you guys wanted to do like small set pieces the whole way around, you could totally do that. Then in this pocket over here, I just have small snacks for myself or the kids. It's a great little spot for like granola bars or like grab and go type things. I have some peanuts and some of these fruit leathers, that type of thing. Then in the very, very bottom down there, you guys can see those 2 pockets. I have a mini Wipeout, which has hand and face wipes. Like there's either Boogie Wipes or Neat Cheeks wipes in there. And then over here, I just have some antibacterial wipes. These are wet ones. So I have those down at the bottom just in case we're out and about and we need those. So that is everything that I have packed up inside the insert. I absolutely love it, guys, and I think that you're really, really going to love it too, and I think you're gonna be able to use it in a lot of different bags. So if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them below, and I would be happy to answer them for you. I hope you found this review helpful, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.